Hello students, my name is Gaganpreet Kaur from Cambridge English Academy, which is located in Lakshmi Nagar. So today I'm going to teach you, which is a part of your speaking of IELTS. Here we are going to learn how to achieve your 8 band in your speaking module. So students, as we know that in our speaking IELTS, like we have a 3 section. First is that introduction, second is that cue card, and third is that follow up. So mostly candidates have a problem with the cue card because where we have to speak for the constantly for 2 minutes and only we have a 1 minute where you have to think. So it is a kind of a very difficult to manage your cue card. So today I'm going to give you the strategy how to manage your time within a 1 minute. So basically, suppose this is my question. This question says, describe a difficult decision that you made and had a good result. It means the question asks about a difficult decision. Now in that 1 minute, what I have to do, I have to divide a section into these parts. It means on the basis of sub questions, you have to maintain your sub parts as well. So I just to maintain the basic says difficult decision, and now I divide it into 4 sections, which is what, when, why and how. On that basis, I have to maintain my answers, which is a part of your real experiences. Like I would say, I just completed my M.Ed in English in 2018. That is quite a difficult decision for me. So I just to maintain my answers, like I would say, M.Ed 2018, and I have to give my reason in detail, and after that I have to give like my feeling, which is about a gracious, jaunty, or even though if you maintain your vocabulary, you can just maintain your vocabulary in those section as well. So now let's talk about how you will going to be start your speaking and how you will going to be wind up your speaking. In that scenario, you have to give your introduction, which is about your 30 seconds. It's a very simple. You have to maintain a 2 or 3 lines, which is about your introduction. Then you have to connect with your story section, which is a part of your real experiences, which is about again 1 minute. And then if you think you do not have a more content to speak, in that scenario, what you have to do, you have to connect your story with your future again, which is about your 30 seconds. So basically it's the strategy, and this is about your time management, which you're going to be handled in that 1 minute. So basically through that you can achieve your 8 band in your speaking. So basically, now for more details, if you want to know more details and a more strategy, please subscribe our channel, and I will going to give you a more strategies in the further.